Rompemos.
So hi and hello everyone, this is Kanlusek here with another video, and this video is about the Huawei Nova 2i full review. So you know that this is a flagship killer. This phone is a mid-range killer to all other phones like J7 Pro, J7 Max, or any other phones like Oppo F5, or any flagship, or like a bit mid-range phones. Everything it kills. It's that good phone to be used. I'll just talk about the specification now. It runs off 5.0 display and a 12 MP back camera with a 1080p video quality and a 4 GB RAM, which is Silicon Kirin 659 RAM with 2950 mAh lithium power battery. And then most of that comes with a dual SIM. You can see that it has the volume rocker button in this side, and then the charging ports and the speaker, and then you can see that the headphone jack remains same and still it's in the same place. And then you can see the resolution of 1080 into 1920 pixel with 16:9 ratio with 443 pixel density, which is a 68.3 centimeter squared and 69.7 screen to body ratio with a LTPS IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen with 16M colors, and it runs the Android OS of 7.0, but still it's designed by Huawei in their own way of Android. It has an internal of 64 GB, which is very useful for many phones, and you can see that it rocks a secondary camera of 20 megapixel camera, which is very awesome. I'll put you a video about the Huawei Nova 2i camera quality video very soon. You can see the camera quality of the phone. It supports the portrait camera, which is very awesome for a just $300 to $280 phone with a portrait mode, and works very well. So I would like to make a video of the Huawei Nova camera test also very soon. And let's go to the fingerprint about this device specification. Again, it supports the fingerprint, and then a non-removable lithium power battery. You can't remove the battery, and it has a detection of autofocus with a LED flash with 2498 Hz audio, which is very awesome for phones like this. And about the micro SD card, it supports up to 256 GB. That means even still it supports a memory card reader. You can put a external memory card and extend this one memory card even more. So we forgot to talk about the CPU. It supports the octa-core 14 into 2.36 Hz Cortex A53 into 4 into 1.7 Hz Cortex A53 with a GPU of Mali T83 peak. So if you are still watching my video, just go and click the subscribe button and kill the notification bell icon near that, so that you don't miss any of our videos, including the Huawei Nova 2i camera test. So let's go and talk about even the body of the Huawei Nova 2i. The aluminium body built into it is a great advantage to the phone, because it does not usually bring many scratches to the phone, which is a very good advantage according to my preferences. It has a good aluminium body which is very smooth and very easy to touch. It's not very difficult, which is like most of the time it's very comfortable phone to the hand. I think if you're a rich guy, it can be a very good secondary phone for you to use, as it's a very good phone, but according to my preferences. So if you're a normal user, you can make the Huawei No i2i as your primary phone, which is very good.